Hi Kingsley 5th grade band parents and students. I wanted to talk a little bit about dotted quarter notes to help us prepare some of the songs in our Veterans Day program. The learning target for this video is I can count and clap a dotted quarter eighth note rhythm and play it in My Country 'Tis of Thee. You'll know you've hit the target if you can count and clap your part along with me when I do it at the second half of the video, and if you can play along with me at the end of the video. When we see a dot after a note, we say that it adds half the value of that note to that note. So, for example, a half note gets 2 beats. Half of that would be 1 beat. So we add the two together to find that a dotted half note gets 3 beats. That's simple enough with a half note. But what about with a quarter note? We're talking about dotted quarter notes. A quarter note gets 1 beat. Half of 1 would be 1/2. So when we add them together, that's 1.5 beats. But what in the world does that sound or feel or look like? We'll approach it by starting with a rhythm that we should already be really secure on. This rhythm is a quarter with 2 eighth notes and another quarter. We would count it as 1, 2, and 3. Since an eighth note gets a half of a beat, if I tie the eighth note back to the quarter, I have that 1.5 beat long note. It would sound like this: 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So, a dotted quarter eighth note is the same as the figure above. Both rhythms on the board are counted and sound identical. It's just a little easier for publishers to write the bottom one. Again, these both sound like 1, 2, and 3. We find this rhythm quite a bit in My Country 'Tis of Thee. Listen first to the counting and then as I sing the words. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now with the words, My country 'tis of thee. Let's practice counting and clapping My Country 'Tis of Thee. We'll start in measure 3 and end at the fermata at the end of the section that we marked together. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2, 3, fermata. Nicely done. This time, I'm going to sing it on the words. Follow the music with your eyes as I sing My Country 'Tis of Thee. My country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where our fathers died, land of the Pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. Okay, this time, I hope you have your instrument nearby. If not, pause and put it together. I'm going to play My Country 'Tis of Thee. Do your best to play along with me. Maybe you'll need to rewind and restart a few times. That's okay. Just do your best. And remember, we're doing this for a really good cause. Please put in the practice time.